Experience Corps. Experience Corps is a feeling of loyalty and pride that is shared by the members of group who consider themselves to different from other selves to some special way. Contrary to norm of gentle corporate conduct at its firms, Pride India Gargan office, employees are supposed to share their inhibitions and their stuffed chat look and narrate their most embarrassing moment during company offsites. A slight more tricky and in fact, as sad as games in boss is watching, including from groups to comes up with the best execute to not come for work. But as former employee and one-time cake eating competition winner, Madam says only good comes on of team building exercise. Although Indian companies are still not quite on the same level as many as from that in fact conduct appraisal for the team collectively team building is an integral part of a corporate training company's the strategy to build community, and when their efforts aren't working, they seek help from consultants either for and then when teams or team members aren't getting along. In 2010, Wipro employees they like to call themselves across 35 cities, 50 countries participate in the spirit of Wipro Mini Marathon, the 5th edition at the run very appropriately celebrate diversity at Wipro and encouraged employees, their friends and families and even customers to put on their running shows for Team Wipro. Team building exercise is in companies cover the building exercise is in companies cover the entire spirit from such found events to outside office collaborative effort. When companies find themselves stretched, they outsource a batch of team building consultants are working, be it for breaking the ice or intervening when two teams are not working well together. Despite the fact the world today seems to drive by individualism and individual aspirations, it is surprisingly not difficult to foster teamwork and team building among employees, adds Padmanabhan. There is no answer to how these fun and games will affect your profit in team of the percentage, but it will teach you to how fun together, which is bound to affect the way you work together and subsequently your bottom line, she says. Thank you.